Good morning, students. We start our new topic of this Delhi Sultan. A closer look, administration and consolidation under the Khaljis and Tughlaqs. So, as we read the chart of the rulers in Delhi, we know all about them. So, you have to learn their chart even. So, now what had happened during the particular period of time in Delhi Sultanate? We'll see in the different ruler how it had happened or how they ruled. So let's see a closer look administration consolidation and under Khalsis. Administration means how the people were ruling. Consolidation means how they made their region secure from the attack or invasion of outside area. So the consolidation of the kingdom as vast as Delhi Sultanate needed reliable governors and administrators. Means the consolidation of kingdom. Consolidation, as I told you, safety and security by the governors or army as vast as Delhi Sultanate means it because Delhi was the central point, hub, hinterland. We as just yesterday read about needed reliable governors who were honest, who could secure and make safe the area. And administrator means who were the rulers and the department of the rulers rather than appointing aristocrats and land chieftains as governor rather than appointing means in spite of that, like aristocrats means the people, the you can say a class who are living in the palaces or they were ruling, they don't have any give and take from what is happening outside. So rather than appointing the aristocrat means for the safety and security for the consolidate such kind of rulers, people were required from outside who could take care betterly. And landed chieftains in Hindi we can say Sardar. Sardar means here the strong people and the musclesmen you can also have means who could fight with the outsider attackers or could save the boundary secure. The early Delhi sultans, especially Iltutmish, favored their special slaves. Now, one by one, we are coming to the you can say some interesting facts which you get in the history, like the reference has been given on Iltutmish. Now, we cannot forget about that. Iltutmish was always himself, he was a slave. Now, slave dynasty was started from Kutubuddin Aibak because he was the slave of Muhammad Ghori, and then Kutubuddin Aibak ruled, and after that his slave was Iltutmish. So like and Balban was slave of Iltutmish. Means like we see that why the slave only were you can say faithful person. So it is the history of that means these rulers generally have a great faith on their rulers, sorry, slaves, not than their own, you can say, son or their other person. So Iltutmish favored their special slaves purchased for military service. Means slaves were purchased, and it is a phenomena you can say when they were under the bondage or bandagan, they particularly served for the ruler. So in Persian language, they were called the Bandagan. Means in Bandhan, you can remember. So if this is the word of Persian. In Hindi, we also can Bandhan means when you are abide by some rule regulation or means some control you have on your security like all. So they was the Bandagan in Persian, and they were carefully trained to mean some trained to man some of the most important political officials in the kingdom, since they were totally dependent upon the master and sultan. The sultan could trust and rely upon them. Means the relation of master and slave, it was beyond the expectation. Means it is very you can say it's not easy to understand the term like how a slave can be so faithful. Means when we read in Indian history, the Samantas, how they, you can say, killed the rulers and they use rule themselves over that particular. But here the history is different, because if you see the history of Kutubuddin Aibak, he was himself a slave, or you can say he was purchased by someone, or means like parents left them. So because the history of Afghanistan was previously, if we discuss, the people were very poor, or sometime for earning the better money, they were generally purchased by the rulers. So because, and they knew this, that that is the master is everything for him, for them. So this means that it is very interesting history in about the slave dynasty, that all slaves were very much faithful to their ruler. Now, one of the references has been given, taken from the, you can say, book or some writings, clippings, like Sultan were advised slaves rather than son. As I told you, slaves are, you can say, in upper rank, and slave son are not, you can say, means they were not too faithful as the slave were. The sultans were advised a slave whom one has brought up and promoted must be looked after the needs of the whole lifetime, and good luck to find the worthy and experienced slave. Wise men have said that worthy and experienced slave is better than a son. So this has been written about the slave. Now, another segment we proceed. The Khaljis and Taglags continue to use the Bandagan and also raised people of humble birth who were often their clients to high political position, and they were appointed as generals and governors. However, this also introduced an element of political instability. Means sometimes they people picked from their poor background, and they made them governors and generals of their kingdom, but later it is not safe for them. It has been written. So client means they are someone who are under the protection, and another dependent, hanger on. The meaning is that now slaves and clients were loyal to their master and patrons. Patrons, you understand this word, means these were the people who give the protection for any kind of work in the kingdom, like for increment of art and literature, like all. So, but not their heirs. Means heirs means यहाँ पर successors. The meaning is that successors. Successors means after the son, father, the son is getting all the property or seat particularly. So means slaves and client were loyal to their master and patrons, but not their heir. New sultan had their own servants. As a result, the accession to new monarch often saw conflict between the old and new nobility. Generally, it happens. And the patronage of these humble people by the Delhi Sultan also shocked many elites. Elites means rich class, and the authors of Persian. Tariq, this word we have read in the previous segment. Criticize means it has been criticized when different writings have been found. So Delhi Sultan for appointing the low and base born to high offices. Means sometimes these sultan have been criticized by these tariqs or these writers who generally use this. So in second video we'll discuss the further topic.